What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of MBI Motorsports. In this episode, I'm going to be going over why I decided to sell my 1966 Ford Bronco. So I'm going to head over to the shop. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Obviously, you guys saw in the intro, we were doing a video on why I sold my early Bronco. So let's take a step inside the office real quick and I will show you why. So if you guys haven't been part of the channel since the beginning, probably wouldn't have seen a lot of this, but I had a 1966 Ford Bronco. It took about 3 years to build. Custom frame, 12-inch coilovers all the way around, coyote swapped, 205 transfer case for our 70W transmission, custom doors, the whole nine. So you see with the intro, some of the highlights on the Bronco. But anyways, that was my baby. It was a 3-year project. Told myself I'd never sell it. Got married last year and wanted to do something a little bit different than my currency trading. So I was starting to get burnt out with that and just needed something new. So had a lot of knowledge with putting that Bronco together, you know, building the body from scratch, which is what we're going to be walking around showing you, you know, why we got the shop. So I'm going to get started with this. It's a 500 square foot office. Nothing special, you know, it's an office away from home. I have little dividers, still haven't moved in yet. My kid is here for school throughout the week, so his mess, but main computer. But we will step out to where the magic happens. So this is our 4,000 square foot shop. So you guys are probably wondering, like, what in the world? So this door right here used to be a these used to be loading doors for the train. So there's a spur right here on the railroad tracks that cuts out. They used to load trusses from this building into there. So the landlords put this door in for us, so you know we can actually get deliveries out there. But you know the only downside with this shop is this ledge right here. So we got a dock that's inside. Obviously this is early Bronco chassis sitting here, but we put this 4-post right here to be able to lift it up and get up on this upper deck. But what we do in this shop, so obviously we started off doing the early Bronco bodies, you know, the complete tubs. These things are built from scratch, and here's a body right here. This is how they come in boxes. So, and more parts up there. But that's what we started off doing, early Bronco bodies. Then we got into the full builds, and there's some more parts, you know, hood, doors, windshield, frame. But yeah, you know, we decided that we wanted to get into some other things. Obviously the YouTube game, that's been keeping us really busy. You know, we were doing daily uploads, which I do not recommend. It's easier for the day-to-day, you know, your lifestyle videos, but in uploading, now I have to go back and search for what videos were for what. So now we're doing Tuesday, Thursday uploads on MBI Motorsports. But yeah, so again, we start with the bodies, and you know, now we're doing vinyl wraps, the PPF protections, which is the paint protective film that you see on cars, the clear wraps that go on the bumpers, the hood, the mirrors, or you can do the whole car. So do that. Obviously the auto painting or automotive painting. We don't like doing body work, you know, we just like to, if someone wants to rent the booth, they can come rent it. If they just need a quick paint job, we can do that too. It's what we like doing. But and then auto detailing, and yeah, and obviously the Bronco. So that's what we do: vinyl wraps, PPF protection, automotive painting, Bronco bodies. And yeah, you know, that's it for now. You know, obviously we got plenty of room to grow. We're not using the entire space yet. I mean, we are, but it's not full. You know, obviously we got the rotisserie. This is the early Bronco body, a new 12,000 pound lift. 10,000-pound 4-post lift. And we got the welders. Obviously it's still coming together. You know, we was trying to build and build and build and get the bills paid while trying to organize. So it's a pain in the butt. So take a step outside real quick, show you what's going on out here. So here's the outside mess. We got 2 little bays over there. We usually throw the trash, grab the dump trailer and dump that every now and then. Behind the door. There's the paint room in here. Nothing special. Gets the job done. So, yep, that's what we're doing there. And here, I'm gonna step over here real quick. So, I got 2 big trucks outside right now delivering some equipment for the roofers that are putting the roof on this massive, stupid high building. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys heard me say it earlier, but we do have an automotive booth out here, so let's take a look at this. So here is our booth. We got just a budget paint job sitting in here. Got to get clear coated today, but yeah, this is the booth. I don't have these side lights on, but those turn on. Got a 125-degree diesel burner. I'll go show you that before I take off. But yeah, oh, sorry, this guy's taking off with this truck. So anyways, I'm gonna walk over there real quick, show you guys the rest of the yard, and yeah, wrap this all up. So hold on one sec. All right guys, sorry it's raining, so hopefully the camera doesn't get too wet. But anyways, this is the back side of the paint booth. Obviously got a diesel burner. I don't even think these things are allowed in California, but I was able to get one. A 250-gallon tank, 70-gallon tank. This is pretty much the one we only use. Guys are taking off, thank God. So that's the rest of the yard. We got 10,000 square feet of a yard to play with out here. Here's the outside of the booth. All this room. So yeah, this is the reason why I sold my '66 Ford Bronco. It's nothing crazy, nothing special. We're here, you know, we're doing it, and I know we got some big things lined up. You know, obviously we're very new with the YouTube game. I don't even think we're in it 6 months. We started October 5th was the first video that we uploaded on YouTube. And you know, the shop started, I think it moved in October, so about a month before that. And here we go, you know. So yeah, you know, I don't know what the future holds for MBI Motorsports and this actual location, but I couldn't be more thankful for the doors that have been opened, you know, in the last 6 months since all of this was popped up. So, you know, I thank you guys for all of the views and the new subscribers. You know, we kind of went through some growing pains there once January hit. You know, I don't really know what's going on with the growth. We went from having 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in literally exactly 2 months, and then hit another 1,000 subscribers that next week. And then once we hit 2,000, it was just like we hit a wall. So I don't know if it's something with YouTube or what, but it's okay. You know, I enjoy doing this stuff, especially now that we're only doing it Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now I tape every day, but we're only uploading Tuesdays and Thursdays. But yeah, so, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys made it this far, there's no reason why you shouldn't hit that subscribe, like button. Comment below if you have any questions, and we will see you guys in the next video.